Hello, friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. Part of your job is to pitch the product and pitch the brand. But before you do that, pitch yourself. Present yourself in a way that demonstrates your authority, expertise, and trustworthiness. For example, you can explain that you have been in the industry for 20 years or talk about how this is your passion. It will make people trust you more and make them more receptive to what you have to say next. 79% of customers prefer salespeople who act as advisors. Sell yourself before selling your product will help you to build confidence with customers. Hope you practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.